Riley, you got something to say to? Nothing else? What's up, bro? Back again. What's up? I'm back, y'all. We just turned the camera on. But anyway, welcome back to the show. All right. So, where did Journey go? She's hiding.
There she goes, Devonna. Journey over there.
Oh, Journey over there? Oh, there she is, I guess. All right. So, what you got to say? Oh, all right. Never mind you. All right. So,
Don't put the camera on.
why not? Y'all want to be on television?
Yeah, I do. Put it on.
All right, then. I don't have much to say, but what the heck I want to say? So, anyway, y'all, being at this birthday party on Easter Sunday and stuff like that, I wasn't planning on coming though. So, let's read this. Look at this, just like when Naomi's party. Happy birthday, Journey. Easter baby, you know. She walked across the street by herself. Oh, don't do that. Look at the birthday girl. Why would you do that?
Journey, come here.
That's
Don't run across that street. You heard what I say?
dang.
Don't go across that street. Don't go there.
Jeez. I didn't see that. Good Lord. Yeah, well, I'm glad no cars didn't come or whatever. It's very dangerous, you know. Look at Cardi, say, hey, Cardi on TV. I guess you don't want to be on TV. Let's go see the birthday girl again. Okay. Hey, you on the show, say, hey. Journey, say, hey, you on TV. All right, I'm doing the show in case y'all wondering. All right, so. Barry, you got something to say? You got something to say? I'm doing the show. Yeah, I wasn't planning on. Oh, well, let me get out of here. We don't want, huh? All right, so anyway, y'all. You filming me too?
Yeah, you can know. I'm filming my baby.
Oh, I thought, well, if you can film me, if you're going to film me, put me on YouTube. Don't just film me. All right. Hey, Journey. Hello, gang. Say hello. All right. I'm sorry. All right. So, yeah, there go the big sister right there, you know. A proud big, all right, I'm sorry about that malfunction. I apologize for that, okay? A war room malfunction. I apologize for that malfunction, though. It wasn't supposed to be like that, so I apologize, okay? So, I mean, malfunction, I hate those. I mean, that's the third war room malfunction on a Dominoes 7 show. It's not supposed to happen. All right? That was a whole malfunction, okay? All right. All right. About to stop this live, okay? Bye.